So guys, that wraps up today's adventure. Meg, what did you think of that one?
Yeah, really nice. Everyone we've met has been really friendly, like in the cafes and in the pubs. I just think when you come, remember that people do live around here. So just be respectful of people's houses and keep it nice and quiet, but it's lovely and peaceful and everyone's really friendly.
Yeah, 100%. Definitely recommend it if you're in and around the Cotswolds. It's one of the probably the nicest places we visited.
Yeah.
So you can easily spend a couple of hours here, but in terms of cafes, bars, and there's also like a trout farm, so really enjoyable day out, I thought.
Yeah, not an awful lot of parking, but there is parking around the back of the trout farm, so yeah, it's nice around here.
Yeah, it was £8 for the parking for a day, so fairly limited, but definitely worth the trip.
Yeah, lovely.
Fantastic guys, let me know in the comments if you've been here before or if you plan to visit in the future. Finally, make sure you like, comment
And subscribe.
and we'll see you on the next adventure.